12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about 12,000 times per day.
This 12-year-old girl unexpectedly started sneezing one day and hasn't been able to stop, which has put her in serious trouble.
All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
It's really painful.
Because it is not only very painful over time, but it has also completely taken over her life.
Can't eat well, has to sip, she can't drink.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
But despite multiple medical tests, doctors haven't been able to figure out what is causing the sneezing. However, they know it can only get worse over time.
She can't go to school. She can't play her clarinet. The sneezing is just too distracting.
I just wanted to stop. It's been going on for way too long.